A3 UV 3D label printer. The shell adopts cold-rolled steel plate and aluminum alloy, making the operational performance of the frame more stable. The cover is acrylic, prevents ink splashes and dust, allowing for visual display of the printer's working status. Adopts silent guide rail, low noise, high precision, stable and not easy to deform. Lifting ink stack ensures stable cleaning. White ink stirring functions, preventing white ink precipitation and nozzle clogging. Low ink alarm prevents nozzle damage. Heating roller temperature display, visualize precision temperature control. The print platform is equipped with spirit level, allows you to check the parallelism of the print platform at any time to prevent damage to the machine due to poor balance. Ink stackable thickness, 1 mm, can achieve strong 3D effect, bright colors and good gloss. Contact Kenteer to get printer details.